Have you ever wondered how YouTube total automation works? How does a simple video turn into a fully automated process? Well, get ready to dive into the fascinating world of YouTube automation. This ingenious system has revolutionized the way content creators operate, streamlining processes and maximizing efficiency. YouTube automation, at its core, is about utilizing various tools and processes to automate tasks that were once manual, making it easier than ever to manage a YouTube channel. It's like having your very own digital assistant, tirelessly working behind the scenes. We'll be exploring everything from understanding the basics to the step-by-step process of setting up a fully automated YouTube channel. We'll delve into the importance of YouTube automation and how it can transform your content creation journey, saving you time while enhancing your channel's performance. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind YouTube total automation. Before diving into the steps, it's vital to understand what YouTube automation is. In essence, YouTube automation is the process of creating and uploading videos on YouTube with little to no manual intervention. Think of it as setting up a self-running machine that keeps churning out content, whether you're at your desk or on a beach in Bermuda. It's all about leveraging technology and outsourcing certain tasks to streamline your content creation process. This could involve using automated software for editing, scheduling uploads, optimizing SEO, or even employing a team to handle these tasks. The beauty of it is, once set up, it allows you to focus on other important aspects of your work, or even take a vacation, while your YouTube channel continues to grow. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's move on to the actual steps. Here's the step-by-step process of YouTube total automation. First things first, content is king. To start with, you'll need to create compelling videos that your audience will love. Whether it's informational, entertaining, or a mix of both, the quality of your content is paramount. You can use various tools, such as video editing software, to ensure your videos are polished and professional. Once your videos are ready, it's time to schedule them for upload. This is where the automation magic begins. YouTube has a built-in feature that allows you to schedule your video uploads in advance. By scheduling your videos, you can ensure they are published consistently, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. Consistency is key on YouTube, and this feature allows you to maintain a regular upload schedule without having to manually publish each video. Next comes the promotion. You want your videos to reach as many people as possible, right? This is where automation tools come in handy. There are numerous tools available that can automate your marketing efforts. These tools can schedule your social media posts, send out email newsletters, and even optimize your video descriptions and tags for search engine optimization. By automating these tasks, you can save countless hours and focus your energy on what you do best, creating amazing content. Now, you might be wondering, but what about engagement? How can I automate that? Well, there are tools for that too. You can use chatbots to respond to comments, or set up automatic replies to frequently asked questions. This ensures your audience feels heard and valued, even when you're not physically present to respond. Lastly, don't forget about analytics. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's also about making data-driven decisions. Use YouTube's built-in analytics tools to track your video performance and make adjustments as needed. This can help you understand what's working, what's not, and where to focus your efforts moving forward. So that's how you can automate your YouTube channel. But remember, it's not just about automation, but also about creating quality content. YouTube automation might seem complex, but once you get the hang of it, it can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've started from the very basics, understanding how YouTube works, and then moved on to the nitty-gritty of automation. The key steps involved are setting up your channel, creating quality content, optimizing your videos for search, scheduling your uploads, and monitoring your analytics. Remember, while automation can help streamline your workflow, the heart of YouTube's success still lies in producing content that resonates with your audience. So, why not give it a shot? Experiment with these steps, tweak them to suit your style, and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Unlock your potential and automate your success on YouTube.